In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the double screen effect in OBS Studio. If you've ever started recording or streaming and noticed that weird infinite mirror effect where OBS keeps capturing itself over and over again, don't worry, it's a very common issue and it's super easy to fix. By the end of this video, you'll know multiple ways to stop the double screen problem depending on how you're recording. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical OBS guides. Now, let's jump right in. The first and easiest fix is simply minimizing OBS while you're recording or streaming. A lot of the time, the double screen happens because you're using display capture, which records everything on your monitor, including the OBS preview window itself. So once you press Start Recording or Start Streaming, just minimize the OBS window. OBS will continue capturing your game or desktop in the background, even though the interface is minimized. Because the preview is no longer visible on your screen, it won't create that visual loop effect. This is the quickest solution, especially if you're recording your entire screen. Now, if you want a more professional and permanent solution, the best method is to use game capture instead of display capture. To do this, go to the Sources panel in OBS. Click the plus icon, then select Game Capture. After that, set the mode to Capture Specific Window. This is very important. Once you choose that option, select your game from the window list. What this does is tell OBS to capture only the game itself, not your entire monitor. That means it won't capture the OBS preview window and the double screen effect completely disappears. Game capture is the best option for recording or streaming gameplay because it's more efficient and avoids unnecessary screen elements. If you're not recording a game and instead want to capture a specific application, like a browser, Zoom, or another software window, then window capture is the right option for you. Again, go to the Sources panel, click the plus icon, and choose Window Capture. Then select the exact browser or application you want to record. This ensures OBS only records that selected window and not your full desktop. Because it's isolated to one application, the OBS interface won't be included, and the double screen issue will be solved. There's also another quick fix that many people don't know about, and that's disabling the preview inside OBS. To do this, right-click on the main preview screen, the large black area where you see your capture. In the menu that appears, uncheck Enable Preview. As soon as you disable it, the visual loop will disappear inside OBS. Don't worry, this does not stop your recording or your stream. It only turns off the visual preview on your side. OBS will continue capturing everything normally. This is especially useful if you're using display capture but don't want to keep minimizing the program every time. So to quickly recap, if you're seeing a double screen in OBS Studio, you can minimize OBS after starting your recording, switch from display capture to game capture, use window capture for specific apps, or simply disable the preview inside OBS. Any of these methods will fix the issue, depending on your setup. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to remove the double screen effect in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.